In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Discover Card account. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on for videos just like this. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you carefully. First thing first, you just want to search for Discovery Card login just like this over here. So search for Discovery Card login, and the first option where it says credit card login, make sure it takes you to portal.discovery.com. so click on it and it'll take you to the page where you guys can log in. Now once you're in this page, what you want to do is where it says user ID, click on it and enter your user ID, and where it says password, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on login and you should be able to log in into a Discover Card account. And for some reason, if you forgot your password or your user ID, you can click on it to recover it over here. And if you want to activate your card, you can click on this. And if you want to create an account, you can click on this. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment. I'll see you guys on my future video. That's it. Subscribe to our channel, Want to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.